Where we are on the question number 4. Now they told arrange the following in the increasing order of their reactivity. Increasing order of reactivity towards nucleophilic addition reaction. Nucleophilic addition reaction. So what they told you? Number 1 ethanol, then propanol, then propanone, then butanone. Okay beta, number one is ethanol, propanol, propanone, butanone. This is there. Now one thing you know very well, this is an aldehyde, this is an aldehyde, this is a ketone, this is a ketone. And one thing is sure, we are knowing very well that aldehyde is more reactive towards nucleophilic addition as compared to ketones. Clear? Now you see, one is ethanol and one is propanol. Now from it, I'm writing the formula of ethanol. Ethanol is CH3COH. Propanol is CH3CH2COH. Now you tell me which one is more reactive from these. हाँ आप याद करो बेटा. Yes, which one will be more reactive? Ethanol. Beta, why ethanol is more reactive? Because there is one alkyl group plus I effect. Here is also plus I effect, but alkyl group is larger. So steric hindrance is here. Steric hindrance is more. Okay, and this carbon is always a positive charge. It is always a electrophilic. So when the nucleophile have to attack, nucleophile can attack very easily. Where? Here. Why here? Because steric hindrance is less. They both are having, these both are having what? These both are having plus I effect. But here steric hindrance is more. That is why in this case nucleophile attack is difficult. Same way students. Now we are having two more. One is one is here propanone and second one is here butanone. So whenever, first of all we'll see the formula of propanone and the formula of butanone. You see please all of you, propanone, formula of propanone. Propanone is just see CH3CO. This is the propanone, and butanone formula will be CH3 CH2CO. This is the butanone. Okay beta. Now you must, all of you see there, we know very well ketones are less reactive towards nucleophilic addition, but which one from these is more reactive? Tell me now. See it very carefully beta. Yes, propanone is more reactive. Why? 2 alkyl group is here, is fine. Here is also 2 alkyl group, but this is a larger alkyl group. So steric hindrance is going to be increased. That is why propanone, this one, is more reactive than that of the butanone. Then what will be the, they told you right in the increasing order. Okay, so least will be butanone. After that propanone. After that propanone. Then after that propanol. Then after that last one ethanol. Am I right? So ethanol will be the maximum reactive towards the nucleophilic addition reaction. Students, after that we are having a second part of the fourth question. What is it? Second part of the fourth question. So whensoever we are talking about the second part of the fourth question, what is here? Into that, now they told you again same question. They asked benzaldehyde, then they told you about the para-tolualdehyde. Then after that they are asking you one thing more is here, that is the para-nitrobenzaldehyde. Okay, last one is here. Last one they are asking you acetophenone. What they are asking you? Acetophenone. Into that you see, must all of you, what is going to happening over there in this case. in the second part. Okay, in the second part क्या बोला है इन्होंने? नंबर 1 is they told you benzaldehyde. Beta benzaldehyde formula is benzene with the CHO. Then para-tolualdehyde. Para-tolualdehyde का formula CHO. Then there is CH3. Then para-nitrobenzaldehyde. Nitrobenzaldehyde. Then acetophenone. Acetophenone. What is that? Acetophenone. In the acetophenone, what will be its formula, beta? Yeah, CEO CH3. Is that clear? So this is there. These all are there that we have to do one by one. And what we have to tell again? The nucleophilic attack. Now, but what they are usually telling that इनमें से first of all check which one is a ketone. Tell me. Yes, obviously. This is a ketone. So one thing is clear, I think, to all of you. Ketone will be the least reactive. They all are. This is the aldehyde. This is the aldehyde. This is the aldehyde. Clear? अब competition ये तीनों में रह गया है बस. Okay, where the competition is left between these three. Okay, now after that come. But this CH3 is a electron releasing group, and NO2 is. Tell me, NO2 is electron withdrawing group. Sorry, NO2 is a electron withdrawing group. Once again I am telling you, CH3 is a electron releasing group. Okay, and I told you one thing more, that electron releasing group, what they are doing, it is always increasing the electron density, and when they will increase the electron density on this carbon, then carbon positive charge will reduce, means carbon के ऊपर जो positive charge है वो कम हो जाएगा, and जितना carbon के ऊपर positive charge कम होगा उतना न्यूक्लियोफाइल का अटैक मुश्किल हो जाएगा. Is that clear? Again, because CH3 is electron releasing, due to the electron releasing on the carbon, electron density is going to increase, तो इसका positive charge कम हो जाएगा, कम electrophilicity कम हो जाएगी, and nucleophile attack becomes difficult. But NO2 is electron withdrawing, means electron को खींच रहा है, कार्बन के ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज बढ़ जाएगा, तो न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैक विल बिकम इजी. इज दैट क्लियर? न्यूक्लियोफाइल, तो इन दोनों में से फ्रॉम CH3 and NO2, this NO2 is more reactive. This NO2 is more reactive, and in this CHO. Okay, now you please see simple benzaldehyde. What is happening there? But there is no alkyl group, no simple benzaldehyde is there, and ring is always showing minus I effect. So now tell me which one will be the best one. I think this one, beta, nitro वाला, ठीक है? तो least one will be the acetophenone. Why? Because it contains keto group. Second one will be para-tolualdehyde. Why para-tolualdehyde? It contains CH3 group, which is electron releasing. Increase the electron density on carbon, nucleophile attack will become difficult. Then only benzaldehyde. Why? Because the ring will act as a minus I effect. Okay, then para-nitrobenzaldehyde, here CHO and NO2 is best electron withdrawing group, which will decrease the electron density on carbon, and nucleophile attack will become easy. Okay students, thank you very much to all of you. Now we are having a question number